Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is LouAnn and welcome to my kitchen. That coffee's a brewing, and you know there is some sweet iced tea somewhere in this house. Uh, Even in the winter. Trust me on that one. So this is just a quick announcement and letting you know um the next cookbook, yep, where I've already read through it. For the most part, except for the pie recipes and the cookie recipes. Sorry about that. Um, so this is the next cookbook. It is from Montana. The women involved in agricultural. Hold on. Okay, it's from Montana and it is from the women involved in farm agriculture. There are tons, and I do mean tons, of bread recipes in there. There's also a lot of sourdough. So there are 3 different sourdough starters. Um, I may jump on that. So, and how I go about picking out recipes to share with you is I go through the cookbook, read it, of course, read the recipes. Then I have been writing them down. And then that way I will have another, besides the recipe in the cookbook, I will also have a paper form that I wrote down. And I can write it when I post a video of it, if I liked it, if I don't. And then I'm taking those recipes that I've written down, and then I'm putting it in a big 3-ring notebook. Let me show you something. So how many recipes did I write down for the bread? Right here. There are probably 20, 30, maybe more, maybe not that many for just the bread recipes. There are also, hold on, about the same number for the sourdoughs recipes. So, and there are, like I said, 3 different sourdough starters in here and a little bit of more information on there that I wrote as well. My goal in doing this and doing these projects is to eventually get a cookbook together. At least I know for sure for the bread. Maybe the chicken and the beef. There wasn't a whole lot of chicken and recipes and beef recipes, well, poultry recipes and beef recipes in this cookbook that I've really not done or now not. I want unique recipes. Same way with the cake recipes. Was a little bit of cake recipes in there. But I want unique ones to share with y'all. Ones you never heard of. That's why I did the paprika cake. So this is just a quick announcement on about the next cookbook that I will be sort of featuring. The bread ones will take a little bit because, like I said, there's a lot of recipes I wrote down that I want to try. So that's it for today. So see y'all later and God bless.